Good evening once again. My name is Victor Aibo, and this is Young Prof Tech Hub. Today we'll be doing cartoon animated videos. We have different means of generating cartoon animations, but for today's lecture, we are going to be doing um, using an app called the Plotagon app to generate. So let's just kick start. Go to your browser. You have something this way. Then you type download Plotagon because I've already done these things. This is how it's going to be. So you press on search. It'll bring you to this interface. Then you press on install. I press on install. This is how it's going to come because I've already downloaded it. This is the interface that I'm getting. But if you are doing it for the first time, this site for instance, this where the open is this one, you are likely going to get either install or download. Then you press on it. After downloading it, this is how it's going to be. So let's press on open. When you press on open, you this way. If you have a smartphone that is fast, within seconds, the app will be opened for you. If your phone is loaded, a lot of stuff, it's likely to glaze more. So this is the interface that you get. Because I have done a lot of projects on it, this is why I'm getting all these ones. If you're doing it for the first time, you're not going to see these things. So for the first time, or if you want to do a new video, you go to create video. Then let's click on create video. After clicking, it will bring you to this interface. Okay, so all these things that you are seeing here have things that they have usage. So when you're having an interface this way, this is the scene. This one is the scene. So we call this scene the bedroom. So let's get started. You go to this is no character. That's where you get your character. So you press on it, you get something this way. If you're doing it for the first time, you get these ones though, but if you want to generate your character, you go to create character. This is where you customize your characters. So let's click on create character. It will bring you through this interface. So you see the gentleman or the lady standing there. I think it's a lady. If you want a male character, you press this one. If you want a female character, you press this. If you want the randomize this. Randomize means when you click on this, you are either going to get a male or a female. But if you are specific, you just pick this male, pick this female. So the one we are seeing on the screen is a female. So let's go through these ones. This is the hair. This is the hairstyle. This is the eyebrows. This is the eye. This is the specs. This is a dress at the top. Then when you move forward, we have all these ones. They have meaning or something to do with the character that is standing there. So let's pick one of them. Let's pick the first one. We are picking this. But see something. If you want the character to be facing that way, then you just take your hand, go here, and stand the person this way. So let's face this way. So let's go for the first one. This one. Let's press and see what happens. So you see what's happened. This is the hairstyle. So let's click one of them. So let's see, for instance, we go for this one. When you click on that one, let's wait and see what happens. Okay. Yes, so it'll give you these signs. You've seen these ones. These ones. So let's pick one of them and see. This is what happens. You see what happens. Okay, so that is for the first one. So let's go to this one too. When you go to this one, this is what happens. So let's select one. So let's go for this one. Let's press that one and see. Okay, it's wanting me that my internet connection. Go this way. Good. So that's how it is. And then you can go for this one. Let's go for the specs. Let's pick the specs. This one. Let's click on it. See all the bunch of specs. So let's pick one of them. So that the person is wearing specs. You see the type has changed. Okay, so if you see something like this, this one, the one that looks like when you go to the mall, this is the courier that they use there to take the items. You see that one type, it means you have to be using the subscribed one. The app that is you've subscribed to the app before you can get access to these ones. So that's how it is. So let's go to the dressed. We have different kinds of dresses. Let's go to the knicker. We have different kinds of knickers. I think my internet is slow, but just to slip things fast. Go to the sandal. I see this kind of standard. So let's go to the skull. Let's see. Okay, so that is how it is. So when after you are done, then you go and press this key. You go and press this key, this one. So let's press it. It will send you back to this side. So you see that the one we've just done, that's the first one. They've given the person Helen. This is Helen. Okay, so let's click on Helen. This is Helen. So let's click on Helen. When you click on Helen, it will come here. Then when you see this small dot where the Helen is, then just beside the Helen we have something like that. So let's click on it and see. You see that the first is bed. Let's click on the bed. Helen will be sitting on the bed. Let's change. Dresser. Helen will be standing this way. Let's change. Middle. He's standing on the middle. Let's change. Window. So she'll be standing near the window. So that's how the character is going to be. So let's go here. Okay, so we've gotten the character. Now, if you want to add another character, you send to where the no character is. Then press again. It will bring you this way. So let's just pick this one. You know how to create your character. So now these are characters created. So let's go to Sally. You click on Sally. If you click on Sally, Sally will be there. Then like we did for Helen, let's go here again. Where after just the right after Sally, we click on it. We have things like this. So let's see, we want Sally to sit. So you press on the bed. You see that Sally is sitting. Okay, so now let's go to the first one. This first one means the scene. Let's press it and see. When you press, it's telling you when you press on scene, because I have used more, that is why I think I have exhausted my free aspect. So if you press on scene, it will give you different kind of scenes. But let me just go to the bedroom and press. When I press the bedroom, it's the same as the scene. So they give me these ones, all these ones. So the one that you see with the the more thing that I was saying is you have to subscribe before you can get access to those ones. So this is the free aspect: a bedroom, park, bus stop, convention booth, restaurant, computer, cafe, joint, moon, etc. So you just pick one of them. So let's take we'll go for TV sofa. Let's press TV sofa. So you see that they are sitting there. That's the TV sofa. Okay, so then let's now go to, we've gotten the scene. So what is this thing for? This one is called dialogue. That's what the dialogue is. So let's press on it and see. This one. If you press on it, you have this way. So now they want you to choose the one that will do the first talking. So you go to character. Then you choose among the two. Who do you want to speak first? Is it Helen or Sally? So let's say Helen. Let's say ladies first. So let's go to them. Click Helen. Then it will give you this interface. That is where you do your typing. Then you click. It will bring you this way. So let's see. You say, hello, sweetheart. So sweetheart, how was your night? Okay, then you come and press this one. You press here. Okay, when you press this way, it'll bring you this way. So let's see, go and press this one and see how the token is going to be. You press play.
Hello, sweetheart, how was your night?
Okay, so that is how it is. Then you pressed on dialogue again. You press on dialogue again, this same one. So let's click on it. It will bring you this way. So now Helen did the first token. So let's go to press no character. So we choose Sally. So Sally will now speak. So Sally say, it was good. How are you too? It was good. How are you too? Or let's say it was good. It was good. How was your night too? Then you come here and click again. And you click on it. It will bring it this way. So let's go and press this one.
It was good. How was your night too?
So you see that, have you noticed something? I've rather interchanged the gender. Okay, so instead of Sally, the male voice, I was rather getting the female voice. Okay, so what you will do is you just go to the Sally aspect, this place for instance, then click on it. It will give you this way. Then you go to Helen. Have you seen that I've changed it? Then go to the first one. The first one, this one. Then click on it. It will bring it this way. So let's change this one to Sally. Okay, so let's go. Let's now play our movie and see.
Hello, sweetheart, how was your night? It was good. How was your night too?
I think it's the same thing. So this is just for you to understand the interface. So go through it, then tomorrow